Searching for the best vinyl cutter machine and everything looks the same? Same features, same promises, same stock photos. But the real difference isn't in the ads. It's in how they actually perform when you're cutting your third project at 2 a.m. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works.
Product number 1, Naku Floor Cutter. The Naku Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter. And don't let the name fool you. This isn't your typical craft cutter. This is a heavy-duty manual floor cutting tool built for contractors and DIYers tackling real flooring projects. At $109.99, it's priced like a pro tool, and it weighs nearly 18 pounds, so you know it's serious. If you're installing LVP, SPC, or vinyl plank flooring and want clean, angled cuts without renting expensive machinery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cuts up to 13 inches wide and 13 millimeters thick. That's thicker than most vinyl planks, and handles multiple angles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees in one smooth motion. The aluminum alloy and HDPE build means no rust, no warping, and no electricity needed. No noise, no dust, no mess. The unique one-step angle and length alignment saves you from measuring twice and cutting twice, a huge time saver on big jobs. Plus, the rubber wheels and extendable handle make it easy to move around a job site. Now, some people might complain that this isn't a traditional vinyl cutter for stickers or crafts, and they're right, this isn't for making decals. But if you're working with rigid flooring materials and need precision without the cost of a wet saw, this fills a gap most people don't even know exists. The blade is sharp wolfram steel and replaceable, and the chain brake adds safety when not in use. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner doing a DIY floor install or a handyman who needs a reliable, no-frills cutter for vinyl plank and laminate. Skip this one if you're into crafting, stickers, or small-scale projects. This is built for heavy material, not delicate vinyl sheets. For the price and build quality, it's a steal for the right use case.
Product number 2, Cricut Maker 4. The Cricut Maker 4, the heavyweight champion of smart cutting machines. At $399, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the most capable. This isn't just a vinyl cutter, it's a full creative workstation. If you want to cut, draw, engrave, foil, and score over 300 materials, from leather to balsa wood, this is the machine that does it all. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Maker 4 uses advanced rotary blade technology and adaptive tool detection to adjust pressure automatically. That means clean cuts on delicate vinyl and deep scores on thick cardstock, all without manual tweaking. The 270-plus square inch cutting area gives you room for large decals, stencils, or multiple small projects at once. Plus, the Print Then Cut feature works with any inkjet printer, so you can create full-color stickers effortlessly. With Design Space, you get access to over 1.5 million images and 1,000-plus fonts, and the 30 bonus images in this bundle are a nice starter pack. Now, some people complain about the learning curve with Design Space or the cost of Cricut Access for full content. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about crafting, selling custom products, or running a small biz, that investment pays off fast. The machine itself is built to last, and the precision is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you're a serious crafter, Etsy seller, or DIY entrepreneur who wants one machine to handle everything. Skip this one if you're just starting out or only need basic vinyl cuts. It's overkill and over budget for simple projects. But for versatility and power, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, Cricut Glee S501 in blue. If the Cricut's price made you flinch, meet the Cricut Glee S501 in blue, a compact, beginner-friendly cutter at just $89.99. This one's designed for casual crafters, students, and parents helping with school projects. It's not as powerful as the Cricut, but for home decor, party supplies, and small vinyl jobs, it's surprisingly capable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0 or USB in just 3 seconds. No lag, no drops. The 10x10 inch cutting area is perfect for stickers, labels, and small decals. The built-in front cover storage keeps weeding tools and blades handy, which is a small but brilliant touch for keeping your space tidy. Plus, the Cricut Design Store has over 1 million designs and 1,000 fonts, so you're not stuck making everything from scratch. Now, some users mention that cutting depth can be inconsistent on thicker materials like iron-on or cardstock. Here's the thing though, for standard vinyl and paper, it's sharp and reliable. Just don't expect it to handle leather or wood. The AI-enhanced software helps beginners get clean cuts without experience, and the online community offers great support. This is perfect for you if you're new to crafting, a student, or someone who wants a portable, easy-to-use machine for small projects. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade precision or plan to sell high-volume products. It's built for fun, not full-time production. But for the price, it's a solid entry point.
Product number 4, Cricut Glee S501 Pink. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for crafters who want a little more flair, the Cricut Glee S501 in pink. Same price, $89.99, same core features, but with a few key upgrades that make it stand out for creative projects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cuts over 46 materials, including matte-less smart vinyl, meaning you can cut without a mat, saving time and material. The 310 plus square centimeter active area gives you more room than the blue model, and the dual mode cutting and drawing lets you add handwritten notes or custom designs. It's ideal for resin charms, scrapbooking, and party decor, especially if you're into colorful, personalized crafts. Now, some people note that the pink version has slightly less cutting width, 4.5 inches, compared to other models. Here's the thing though, for small crafts and detailed work, that's actually a benefit. It forces precision and reduces waste. The compact A5 size makes it easy to store, and the built-in tool slot keeps everything organized. This is perfect for you if you love DIY gifts, school projects, or crafting with kids. Skip this one if you need to cut wide decals or banners. The narrow width limits large-scale work. But for charm makers, card designers, and hobbyists, it's a fun, functional upgrade. Product number 5, Cricut S501 Beige. The Cricut S501 in beige, the most versatile of the Cricut lineup. Still $89.99, but this model adds manual operation mode and faster cutting speeds, up to 3.2 inches per second. That might not sound fast, but for batch production or party supplies, it adds up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports both cutting and drawing with adjustable pressure, works with over 50 materials, and includes Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The 1,800 square inch active area is the largest of the Cricut models, giving you more space for multi-project runs. The blade lasts over 4,610 meters. That's years of use for most hobbyists. Now, some users say the manual mode takes practice to master. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you gain more control over depth and speed, which is great for custom materials. The front cover storage and design library, 1 million plus designs, 1,200 plus fonts, keep everything accessible. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of automation and control, or if you're making party supplies in bulk. Skip this one if you prefer fully automatic operation. The manual option isn't for everyone, but for crafters who want flexibility, it's a smart pick. So, which final cutter is best? The Naku is a beast for flooring, not crafts. The Cricut Maker 4 is the pro choice if you can afford it. The Cricut models? Great for beginners and hobbyists. Pick the blue for basics, pink for charm crafting, or beige for speed and control. No single machine does it all, but one of these is perfect for your next project. Let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing, and if you've used any of these, tell us how they held up.